Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is May 19, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the futures up about 6 points at the moment. Right now they're trading at 23.69.5 per contract. Today is options expiration. What a wild options X this week was. We had some major moves all over the map, and we had that big Wednesday sell-off. So we'll see how today's market fares. But in the meantime, we do have the futures right now trading higher by 6 points ahead of the opening bell. First stock we're going to take a look at today is going to be Applied Materials, AMAT. This stock has had an amazing run on a monthly chart basis. So the stock has gone from, basically $15 in 2015 to $45. Look at this straight up move, and today it is going up again. Stock closed at $43.91 yesterday. You can take a look here today, and you will see the stock trading at $45.19. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, don't do much with it at this stage. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Next, we're going to take a look at Ross Stores. This stock is trading this morning at $63.10. It closed, I believe, at $61.07. So nice little uptick. Very, very little volume behind it. So be a little bit careful there. But again, Ross Stores right now holding steady. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Next one on our list is going to be CRM, which is Salesforce.com. This stock right now is trading at $90.09. Closed at $87.75. This is another name that has had just an amazing move. It's overbought, but again, it can go to 91. That's where it went yesterday in the after hours in the pre-market and the after hour market. So just remember, still could get back to 91 before hitting that after hour wall. So again, a lot of times stocks will go back up to those levels. If you own Salesforce, trail the stop. If you don't own it, leave it alone. There's not much you could do with it. Let's take a look at John Deere. DE is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $120.27. It closed at $112.67. So this is a great move for John Deere. Again, another overbought condition. I'd love to give you guys some resistance levels and say, hey, fade these names. But the trend is up on all of these names, and they're doing well. So the best you could do is really trail your stop loss if you own them. If you don't own them, you kind of leave them alone, look for pattern. But again, a lot of overbought conditions here this morning. Let's take a look at Autodesk. ADSK is ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $107.85. Closed at $95.83. So great pop for Autodesk. Now, Autodesk, when I look at this name, the trend is up. You had a little sell-off on Wednesday. So you got to think that this is a little bit overbought here at these levels as well. Again, trail the stop loss if you own it. If you don't own it, leave it alone. We'll look for pattern once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at Foot Locker. This is a stock that I am going to have a gap level for you in the intraday stock chat room. Foot Locker closed at $70.45. It is now trading at $64. Did briefly get down almost to the 62 level. So again, I have levels worked out in the intraday stock chat room. They'll be posted up right at 9 a.m. So if you want to trade that with us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything we're doing. We're having a great trading week with all this volatility. Next up, we're going to take a look at Gap Stores. GPS is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $24.25. Closed at $23.19 yesterday. So nice little move higher for Gap. But again, nothing great in this stock. So be a little bit on the guarded side with it. But right now, in all fairness, it's holding up pretty well. So we want to respect it. We respect what we're seeing on the tape here. But either way, we'll look at Gap a little bit closer once the opening bell rings today. Not much I would do with it just off the bat. Next up, we'll take a look at Campbell's Soup. CPB is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $54.75. Closed at $56.94. Right off the bat, when I look at this name, I'm really right away thinking $50. So if you take a look at a weekly chart of this name, what you'll notice is you got that 200-week moving average, $50.55. That will be your level today if it does trade down there. So keep that on the radar. Don't know if it gets there, but if it gets down to $50.55, there could be a long side scalp or long side day trade done on Campbell's Soup. We're going to take a look here at the at the gold market. Gold right now is trading up 40 cents to $1,253.20 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, what you'll see here is that the GLD is trading today at $119.27. closed at 118.81. But remember, even though gold isn't doing a whole lot today, you did have a pretty good pop yesterday after gold futures closed. So gold futures closed at 130, but it will continue to trade electronically, and that is what you're seeing there. Crude oil this morning is trading up by 69 cents to $50.35 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO this morning, that is trading up at $10.41. Great little move there, closed at 10.26. So crude oil getting a big pop today. And again, markets are holding steady. Looking at the U.S. dollar index, dollar is trading down by 53 cents, making new lows. So we'll see how that plays out. I am in the camp, though, that the dollar is about to bottom. So again, we'll see how this all shapes out going forward. But again, U.S. dollar index lower today. And again, that usually does help commodity prices, at least temporarily. All right, with that being said here, we got the futures higher by 6.5 points on the S&P, and we'll see how this market plays out. Once again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. It's been an amazing trading week, and this Friday should not disappoint either. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it there short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.